Hey, what's up you guys? It's Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes on another new construction video, and this one is called Embry, which is a townhome community built by Pulte Homes located in Johns Creek, Georgia. Yes, it's hard to find good new construction in Johns Creek, especially in a great sought-after school district in Metro Atlanta, and you know Johns Creek is going to have some of the best. And this one is Northview zoned, so it is probably the best, or top three, I would say, as far as the best high schools in Johns Creek and Metro Atlanta area. So this is cool because you've got some opportunities. In fact, you've got 31 opportunities. They have 31 lots available, and they've got several different community features such as a little park area, some open space for walking if you have a dog or a pet, and then you got a fire pit, a community fire pit, and this is located right off of Technology Circle in Johns Creek Technology Park. So again, Embry, these are luxury two-story townhomes, and their square footage is anywhere from 1,893 to 2,035 square feet. And they have different floor plans that are 3 all the way up to 5 bedroom floor plans with flexible living space. Here you can see they've got floor plans such as the Cooper or the Wando, and they have different elevations, which means the different types of look on the outside in terms of design, whether it's cement siding or a different kind of farmhouse appeal look to it, or different like covered patio or not covered, and so on and so forth. So you've got their biggest one being Wando. This one is technically more than what I had quoted earlier. It's got 2,399 square feet, priced at $739,915. So again, this is their biggest floor plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home. And the price range goes from $685,939 all the way up to the mid 700s. So you can see here, we got some of the floor plans that I'm showing you here, and this is pretty nice in terms of the features. You've got, different granite countertop options, as well as a vent hood and nice cooktop, pendant lighting, nice hardwood floors, engineered hardwood. Some of them are LVP, and you've got different options that you can pick from, as well as recessed LED lighting. So all of the really standard features that come with new construction these days, all packed into an incredibly good location in Johns Creek. And really, this is what I like the most about this, is the location. You're so close to Highway 141, Georgia 400, Peachtree Industrial that get you to other places. And you're also close to Avalon and Halcyon, different kinds of mixed-use developments that have a lot of different shops, restaurants, and entertainment. In order to secure a contract, you basically have to deposit the earnest money and sign the contract itself. If you need buyer representation, I can definitely be of help. I represent clients on the buyer side with new construction, not just resale. So I have helped a lot of clients, and it's to your advantage to work with an agent such as myself, because there is no commission that you have to pay for me on new construction. The builder pays me. So it's great to have that extra pair of eyes to be able to look through the contract, hire a good inspector, and be able to go through all the walkthroughs and take video footage if need be, if you're not around, or be there no matter what if we both attend at the same time. And there's so much more, and you can see if you check out parts 1 and 2 of the step-by-step process on how to buy a new construction home in Atlanta, because you'll see that there's a lot more that goes into buying a new construction home versus resale. And hopefully you can see the value added and that we can work together. Until then, check out the rest of these model home tours and catch you on the next video.